What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Fortnite Crash Reporter. So if you're having problems with playing or using Fortnite here, there are going to be a few things that you could try. So first things first is you want to guarantee that you have your drivers, your computer up to date. So first is you want to make sure Windows is up to date. So go to your search at the very bottom here and just type in update. You should see the option here for check for updates under settings. Go ahead and click on it. And in here, just click on check for updates. Now, if you do see any updates here, make sure to install that and wait for the update to complete. And once the update's complete, go ahead and start your PC and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing you need to update here is going to be your GPU. Now, GPUs frequently release updates for games that might have some problems, especially for new games or newer games that will be published. So, in this case, depending on what you're using, whatever GPU you're using, so in my case, I'm using NVIDIA. So, in this case, you want to open up the NVIDIA app if you're using NVIDIA. So, if you're using AMD, open up the AMD app. Now you want to go to drivers and you want to go ahead and click on the install button you see at the very top right here to install any updates. Now like what I said, any new games or any updates will be released on GPUs, so make sure to install the latest one to avoid any problem. Now, another thing that you might want to do here is you want to open up Epic Games Launcher here. So if you're playing Fortnite, like for example, if you're suddenly experience that problem, the best thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that it's fully updated. Now, you might not notice that sometimes you're playing a game and it just suddenly crashed. So in this case, just check Epic Games here, see if it's up to date or if there are any updates to go and just install that. Now, also, you want to go to your library here, and you might want to also check, like for example, you're sure that you've deleted your game here or Fortnite. So sometimes some files might be corrupted. So for example, this Fortnite, just right click on it, and you want to go to manage, and just click on verify files here. So click on verify, wait for it to verify, and typically that should solve any issues. And finally, the last thing that you could do here is you want to add some line here. So you want to go to your profile at the top right here, click on settings, go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see a section here for Fortnite. Go ahead and expand them. Now, you want to go ahead and enable the additional command line arguments, and you want to go ahead and use the following arguments. So in this case, going to be dash use all available cores. Now, in this case, go ahead and copy this one or type it in here, paste it in here. Once we've done that, go ahead and go back here and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.